We need one more cupcake over there. Omer, did you hear what Miss Eben said?
No.
If I'm going to light the candle, you must sit on your bottom, okay?
You don't have the Hello Kitty.
Please don't touch it. All right, ready, everyone? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Omer. Happy birthday to you.
Wait.
Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Yes.
Oh! Good job. Aga, lights, please.
Stop it.
Everyone, what do we say? Bon appetit.